Next one is a question for Doug from Alicia. Where's Alicia? Hi, Alicia.
Hi.
What would you like to know?
Nice to meet you. So I have a question about area rugs. I have no idea how to pick one. I don't know what color, what size, what pattern. I've gone to the store before and just come out completely confused and overwhelmed and walked away buying nothing.
Well, without knowing exactly your whole color scheme and, what else is in your room to put into it, what I can advise you on is a question, that you have as well as many others, is proportion. How do you fit the right rug into the space? So over here, we've got, a simple living room setup, and we've got a sofa, 2 chairs. Now, you're like, okay, do I put the sofa on the rug? Do I only put the front legs onto the rug? Do I put the chairs onto it? In my ideal world, and I think that most of you would agree with me, is that the rug should go, in the whole perimeter, and the chairs and the sofa should sit upon it. However, Ty, John, can you help me out for a second?
Sure.
Can you guys roll this rug out?
We can do our best.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Now, can you guys move this sofa?
Oh, man.
Now I understand.
It's always...
Give these guys a big hand. Yeah, entirely off. So we have it there. That is one way to do it. However, if you want to, you can move it back just a little bit so the back legs are off.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the way I do mine.
Now, how's that? Can we move that coffee table in here?
Use your back.
And then you've got plenty of room for your coffee table. And all of a sudden, what you've got is a room and a space that is proportionate. Now, the rug, as a general rule, if you need to use it as a guideline, give it 18 inches around the perimeter of the room, okay? As a general rule. We make the rules, but we can also break them. But use that as a guideline.
What's nice about this is because the bigger the rug, the higher the price point as well. So this is, if you can't afford a rug that's so large as your room, this is nice to just have you can have the back legs off and like this. It's a good solution. It's a good solution.
It's all about your budget, what you can afford.